Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello. 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 Hello.
Sankalp, can you hear me?
Oh, yes, sir. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hey, someone respond.
So let's see now the variation of atomic size.
Nitish, we can't hear you. I was like, was it my thing?
So let's first see along a period. So can you tell me what will happen when you just move from left to right in a period? Will atomic size increase or decrease?
Sir, what, sir? From where to where?
Can you hear me?
From left to right in a period.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
To right. Sir,
Yeah, I can hear.
it will increase.
Thank you.
Atomic size will increase.
Oh my God, who will talk?
Atomic
They just
size
now
will
said
decrease
it's their factors there.
from left to right in a period. Atomic size decreases. You have to remember this. This is very important. I
What
will
did
tell
you
you
say,
the.
sir?
Left to right house.
I will tell you the reason.
How,
From left to
sir?
right in a period, atomic
Along
size
the period,
decreases.
from left to right in period
Sir,
of
but
size.
how, sir? Left to right, it should
I will
increase,
tell you.
right?
I will tell
Shut up,
you.
man. He said he will tell you.
Due to increase in nuclear charge. So due to increase in nuclear charge, this is the reason. I will tell you how it actually works.
Like Sankar.
Due to increase in nuclear charge. So see here, let's talk of period number second. We are having beryllium, isn't it? Then we are having boron. Let's say we are having lithium first, then beryllium, boron, then
beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, like that.
oxygen.
Start speaking the.
Now tell me here, for example, it is the lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. So that means it has how many protons?
3.
Exactly. So that means
Yeah.
the charge of proton is positive. So that means the total charge will be +3, right? So this is the nuclear
3.
charge.
Yes,
+3 is what? +3 is the
3.
nuclear charge.
Metal, nuclear charge.
+3 will be the nuclear charge. Now, similarly here, in case of fluorine, what is the atomic number?
So
It is 9.
fluorine, I do. It's 9.
So therefore, there are total 9 protons, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the nuclear charge here. So can you tell me what happens to the nuclear charge when you
They
just
lose the electron.
No, you have to just tell me what happens to the nuclear charge when you just move from left to right in a period.
Sir, it decreases.
It increases. Nuclear charge increases.
Sir, you just wrote decreases, sir.
I just wrote atomic size decreases. Nuclear charge increases.
Yes, nuclear charge.
Just see it here. Nuclear charge increases.
Okay, sir.
It's very important. See,
Sir, I said nuclear charge increases and I said atomic size decreases. You heard atomic size increases and nuclear charge decreases.
No.
You
See
heard
here.
it the other way. I told it right, sir. I told it right, sir.
Okay, if you have
Why
told
is
it
the
right.
answers coming in the exam there?
So now see here that nuclear charge when it increases, but tell me the number of shells.
Write an exam on this.
Will the number of shells be same or different? In case of lithium, how many shells are there?
3.
There are
2.
Exactly. Because 2, then 1. 1. Okay. In case of fluorine, how many shells we are having?
2.
Only have
2,
2.
sir.
Yeah.
3 after.
So that means the number of shells they remain same. Number of shells remain same. But what happens? Nuclear charge
increases.
Now what will happen because of this? Nuclear charge when it increases.
Atomic size decreases.
Exactly, because it will now pull all these electrons very close towards itself. So there will be contraction in the size. So that's why atomic size decreases. So got it now?
Yes, sir.
So you had to remember that when you move from left to right in any period, atomic size will decrease. So that means lithium, it will have bigger size. So if we just talk of order of size, so can you tell me the order of size?
It'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That
Like
means
that.
lithium will have bigger size. Beryllium, it will have
So
smaller
it'll be
size than.
like 118, 117, 116, like that, sir.
I have to just write this order like this, just as I have shown it here.
Hydrogen, sir. Does hydrogen and helium count?
They are in the first period. I'm just talking of this is my second period.
Oh, atomic size varies between each period.
Exactly. I have written here along the period.
Fine.
So that means from left to right in a
Late
period,
realization.
That
atomic
means
size
hydrogen
decreases.
might have smaller atomic size than lithium.
Hydrogen exactly
No,
has smaller size than lithium. Then
Yes,
that
sir.
we will
no, sir.
study in the group.
Sir, hydrogen should have a bigger one than helium, right, sir?
Oh, they both
No.
have the same electron in the valence shell. So they might
See,
have the same nuclear charge.
you have to just remember that from left to right in a period, atomic size it decreases due to increase in nuclear charge. Now, when we will just talk of group, then what happens from top to bottom in a group, atomic size will increase. I will write that on the next page. First, write down this.
Finish. Did you finish the Sankal? Sankal, did you finish?
Yeah.
Saying go to the next page.
Okay, now see here. Let's see next one, that is within a group. So what will happen within a group?
So it'll be like hydrogen, lithium, sodium, calcium, potassium,
So you will
rubidium, like
write
that.
that from top to
Rubium.
bottom,
What is rubium there?
Rubidium, I said. You didn't
from
listen to me. You
top to
never listen.
bottom.
No, you didn't say it properly.
I
Ugly.
said rubidium. You just have a very bad headphones.
Stop
Within
saying rubium again.
It's rubidium.
You said rubium again.
atomic size increases. So it will be just opposite as that of period. So from top to bottom within a group, atomic size
Okay, stop
increases.
saying rubium there.
Now why it increases? Because of increase in number of shells. Because of increase in number of shells.
Yes, sir.
Because in the period number of shells they were remaining same, but here number of shells increase. So that is why atomic size will also increase from top to bottom. For example, if you just talk of the first period, that is hydrogen, lithium,
So
sodium,
hydrogen will have more things than
potassium,
lithium.
rubidium, and then cesium. So definitely here the size of hydrogen it will be very small as compared to that of lithium.
So yeah, within a period, the atomic size depends upon the nuclear charge, and
Exactly.
within a group, the atomic size depends upon the number of shells.
Exactly, because in the period number of shells remain same, and in the groups number of shells increase. For example, if you just talk of hydrogen, hydrogen has how many shells? It has only one shell, right?
Yes, sir.
But if you just talk of lithium, lithium has how many shells?
So lithium has three, no
It
two.
has it has two shells. If you just talk of
Sir,
sodium, it has
so periods are basically like in the first period there'll be one shell, second period two shells, third
exactly,
period three shells,
exactly,
fourth period four shells, fifth period five shells, sixth period six shells, seventh period seven shells.
exactly. That element which belongs to the seventh period, definitely that will have seven shells in
Three
that.
elements.
Ha, Nitish, you couldn't figure this out. Sucker.
So what is wrong with this guy, sir? So you continue, sir. You continue.
Sankar, what happened?
Sir, there's something wrong with him, sir. You have to send him to a mental hospital, sir.
No, sir, it's just that Nitish is annoying all the time, so I wanted to be
Sir, I
annoying.
didn't even open my mouth, sir.
He was annoying few classes
There
ago.
is
So you
separate time
continue,
for
sir.
that. In the class, you should remain just as you have to be.
He's just annoyed that I got more marks than him in both learning room and in school exams, sir.
No, I
That's
just want to prove that you're a nerd.
Good. I'm good at sports. I get all the girls. I got your
You
mom.
know you don't.
What do you mean? Yeah, that's not your mom.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Ask
so.
your
Can you
mom.
now tell me the size of this group second elements? Beryllium,
So it'll be
magnesium.
11. That means 1, 2, 3.
Nitish, I'll talk about this tomorrow after you brush your teeth and come.
So beryllium, its size will be. Can you now tell me the order of size here?
So it'll be like 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. Like that. Oh, it'll be hydrogen, lithium, sodium, calcium, rubidium, calcium.
I'm
Sir,
just
it is.
talking of this group second. Group second, you have to
Oh,
tell me.
group
Sir, it's
second.
beryllium, magnesium,
Beryllium, magnesium,
calcium,
calcium,
cerium, barium. Okay, I'm
So
radium.
still very
You
wrong.
forgot radium.
which will have bigger size among these group second
The
elements?
radium.
Oh, I was right. I took it a fluke.
No,
Yeah,
you saw the
exactly.
book. Yeah. Also, you didn't know. You didn't see the book. Last time only you sent me a periodic table. That same periodic table you have it on your screen.
Hey, no, my
I saw your
entire
screen turn
hey,
white. Sorry,
my entire
Shut up, Sir, you can
my
continue.
entire background, my
Hey,
entire
I don't care. Shut up.
computer
Sir, you can
background is
continue.
periodic
Have
table.
you now completed this? Shall I move to the next page?
Yes, sir.
So I'm almost 1 second. I swear to God, if you open your mouth.
Sir, I'm done, sir. Nitish is so slow. He's such a slow. Right quickly, does Nitish is
Kongwe, can you put some sense into this guy there?
No comments. Simply waste.
Sir, you can go to the next page, sir.
Okay, now
hey,
let's
right now, you're
Shut
so
up,
slow.
sir.
study that is the valency.
That's how I feel.
Sir, can you kick this guy out of the meeting, sir?
Sir, tell Nitish. Tell this guy, shut up, sir. Sir, am I audible?
You are not audible, Tarun, if you are speaking.
Now next is the valency. So I hope you remember what is valency. It is the combining capacity, right?
So it's a combining
sir.
capacity of an element to hydrogen or an
element.
electron.
Combining capacity exactly of an element.
To
Okay, so
hydrogen
that
or
means yeah, you can just calculate it by the hydrogen atoms or by the halogen
Sir,
atoms
can
or
you
by the
give
oxygen.
the explanation of valency? Because our teacher said don't use the explanation where they say combining capacity of element to hydrogen or
No,
something.
sir.
They're telling us to
Ma'am
use
told
electron.
combining capacity of only hydrogen.
No,
Only
I wrote hydrogen.
hydrogen.
Ma'am said from next time use electron. If you put hydrogen, ma'am won't give me marks.
No, sir also put electron.
So put
You blind.
not here, da.
I
Hey,
have told
both of the places ma'am put electron later. You wrote hydrogen.
see now here you can just calculate this combining capacity either in terms of hydrogen or in terms of halogen or in terms of oxygen or in terms of electrons. There are four different ways.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, I will give you example of each. For example, if you have to just tell me the valency of nitrogen, so how can you tell me here the valency of nitrogen?
So we just it's 3.
Exactly, it is 3 because it is just combined to 3 hydrogen atoms.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I will write NF3, what will be the valency of nitrogen? It
3.
will be again 3 because there are 3 fluorine atoms, halogen atoms.
Halogen.
But similarly, if I will just write here, let's say N2O3, what will be the valency of nitrogen?
So 3.
It will be again 3, yeah. Similarly, if I just write in terms of electrons, nitrogen, it gains 3 electrons in order to complete its octet. So that's why
Will
it
be
becomes
N3.
N3 negative. So it was just atomic number 7, that is 2 comma 5. When it just gains 3 electron, it will become 2 comma 8. So it has just gained 3 electrons. So that means the valency of nitrogen, it will be 3. So these are the 4 ways to define valency. You can define by any way, whichever you
So I
like.
can say hydrogen, halogen, and electron, and oxygen.
Exactly. Now, what you have to here remember, you have to just see the variation or the trend shown by this valency along a period and within a group. So, variation within a group. Let's see first within a group.
Well, I think in a period it'll increase by 1, and in
First,
a
tell me in the
group
group. First, tell me in the group. I have just
it'll
written here.
increase by 2, 2, 8, 8, 18, 18,
You will
32,
remember
32.
that valency usually remains same within a group.
Oh my god, I forgot about that.
Nitish, stop.
Usually remains same within a group. That means in any group, you will see that valency will be same. For example, if you just talk of group first, so can you tell me the elements of group first?
Sir, it is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium.
Exactly. So all these have what valency? All these
The
have
one
valency 1. Exactly. So
last the one.
that is why I told that valency it remains usually same within a group.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? So for example, if I just talk of group second elements, so we are having beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium. So can you tell me their valency?
Sir, 2 plus
Exactly.
actually 2.
All these have valency too. So that is why within a group it remains same. For example, if you just talk of group 18 elements, what is their valency?
So group 18 there will be
Uh,
2.
Oh, zero. They are noble gases. Zero.
Zero. Please. Bad. You're so bad at chemistry.
Yes, sir, you can continue.
So valency will be zero. Got it now?
Yes, sir, got it.
Shall I move to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tell me along a period. What will happen along a period?
So I'll increase by 1
Long a bit. Yeah.
till 8 and then
Sir,
decrease.
sir, till metalloids it will increase by 1, and from metalloids it will decrease by 1. Okay.
So you will write that
Sir, it's
valency
like
first
1, 2, 3,
increases.
4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2,
Valency
1,
first
0, 1,
increases
2,
Shut up.
3, 4.
No one is listening to you.
It's in a. Shut up, there. You suck there, Nitish. Shut up, guys. Who's that?
valency first increases up to 4 and then decreases up to 0.
Yes, sir.
This is very important. I hope you will remember this because it will be then asked. Valency is very important concept. You have to remember this. For example, if I just talk of lithium, let me talk of lithium. What is the valency of lithium? Can anybody tell me?
1.
3. See,
1
1.
period.
See, no,
Nitish,
3 plus.
Nitish,
3
boy,
plus.
elbows up. Yes, sir.
Three metal. So valency is 1, right?
El- yes, sir.
Beryllium, its valency is 2. Boron, its valency is 3. Carbon, its valency is 4. So that means valency first increases up to 4, right? Got it?
So
And then can you tell me what happens to the valency next after
it'll
night?
decrease
After
from
it
3 to
decreases
1
3 to
and 0.
1 and then 0. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So just remember like this. So if you just talk of next period, that is sodium, it will be SAM. So sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon. SAM will be the trend. That means first, what is the valency of sodium? It is SAM, that's 1. Magnesium valency will be 2. Aluminum valency will be 3, isn't it?
Everything in that group will also be the same because you said so.
Yeah, exactly. Because in the group, valency usually remains SAM.
So will we ever in our life need to have learn the entire periodic table, sir?
If you're a scientist.
Yeah. When you just do the master's degree, then you have to remember each and
They'll
everything.
ask us to write the entire periodic table like that. They will ask.
Yeah, exactly. For example,
Why
if
till
you will
there?
ask,
I'm
for
good at
example,
chemistry, so maybe I'll do
Sir,
masters.
they're doing it in 11th itself, sir. One of my friend in 11th standard, Artyan, he told you have you. No, I shut up there.
no, I will tell you. See, in the 11th class, you have to
Losers like
study.
you are friends with me,
Shut up, like you asked him about it.
See, I will tell you. In the 11th class, you have to study S block and P block. So that means you have to remember only those elements. In the 12th standard, you have to study D block and F block. So that means at that time you can remember if you could.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but anyway, he learned the entire period.
Yeah,
I have already learned. If you just ask me to write the whole periodic table, all the elements, I can also write for you here.
So no need, sir. I'll take like 3 hours.
Exactly. Okay, then this is the valency. Okay, now let's see the last. What is the last periodic
Sir, it is
property? What I told next.
potassium and
Okay, ionic
calcium.
size we have not
Ionic
discussed, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, last there's like 5, sir. No, there's 4, sir. There's
Ionic size, right? It will
band,
be
or
same as
lattice.
that of
Nitish
atomic
is
size.
bad at
Trend will
maths
ionic size
and
trend, it will
chemistry.
be same trend, or you can say the variation. Trend means the variation here as that of atomic size. Got it?
How is it? How did 3 come after 5, sir? Oh, that's a B. Man, that
That
looked
is
like a
1
5.
4 P here, then it is the sulfur S, is the chlorine. So same trend or variation as that of atomic size,
Yes, sir.
as that of atomic size. So for example, if can you then tell me what will happen to the ionic size along a period, that means from left to right? So ionic size will decrease, right?
Okay.
Exactly. Ionic size decreases along a period. And can you tell me what will happen to this ionic size in a group?
Some increase.
Exactly. Ionic size increases from top to bottom in a group. It will be same as that of atomic size. You have to remember the same trend. For example, if okay, have you noted down this? Shall I move to the next page?
No, sir. I'm still
Hey,
writing.
Nitish, I finished, sir.
Ooh, I'm still writing. I'll finish in 2 more seconds.
God is always there in my side.
I like even if it tried it in my head, I'm like 2000% sure you only took a screenshot.
If you okay, I know I wrote it, so that's all I need to know.
No, you wrote it. That's enough.
Yes, I did.
Only you will believe it.
I don't care if you believe it or not.
So there's correction mistake in my paper.
But you're still looking at that. No matter how much ever you check, you still get lower than me.
It's 4 marks, Ra.
Okay, I take back what I said.
Have you now noted down this?
Yes, sir. Hey, Nitish,
Yes.
stop talking and finish writing that.
Now tell me here what will be the size?
Finish,
Lithium, sodium, potassium, ion. These are all the cations, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me the order of size?
Sir,
Sir,
lithium,
it is
sodium, calcium,
lithium
rubidium,
is,
potassium.
Which
No,
will have
potassium or
bigger
the
size among these? Among these,
sir,
which will have bigger?
rubidium.
Exactly.
Hey,
It will be
yo, what is
rubidium.
this?
This is a group. This is not a period. I have just written it like this, but this is not the period. It is a group. Group first. Are you getting? This is the group first. And I have told that from top to bottom in a group, what happens? Atomic as well as ionic size both will increase.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now then we have to study the last periodic property, that is the metallic character and non-metallic. So
Sir,
tell me what
how many marks is like the last question?
10 marks.
which last?
Oh, like the orbital structure.
Hey, what did you
I
ask?
don't know. I
They
have
won't give
I
you more marks.
question paper. I don't know how many. It will be given there. You can check out.
They won't
not
give you more
there,
marks there.
It should be given there.
It should be given, but
So
Entire
can you
question is
tell me what is a
given.
metal?
Not
Can you
the
again tell
subpart.
me what is a metal and non-metal?
so what's sir?
What is a metal? Can you define what is
The
metal?
metal elements with a positive valency.
Yeah, that means electropositive element is known as metal. You have to remember like this. Electropositive metal is known as electropositive element. That is your metal. Just you are having the
Sir,
sodium.
metallic elements have from 0 to 4 electrons in their
Metallic
valence
elements
shell.
are metal.
Correct.
Now, what is non-metal? Can you define then what is non-metal?
The
Elements
non-metals
have
have a negative valency and they have their
the
electrons range
electronegative
from
elements.
4
That's
to
it.
5 to
Stupid. You
7
get
in
0
their
marks for that.
valence shells.
You will get 0
Is,
marks for
sir,
that.
is it right or wrong, sir?
You didn't use the
This is
keyword.
the correct one definition which I have written here. That is
I said the correct answer.
any electropositive element that will be your metal, and any electronegative element that will be your non-metal. Just you are having the fluorine, chlorine, hydrogen. These are all the non-metals because
You
they are
both were wrong
electronegative.
then.
I said correct. What are you talking about? I said
Put
electronegative elements.
So what
Put
is
that.
electronegative? Electronegative, what it means? Electronegative means tendency to gain electron, right? And what do you mean by antipositive?
It's a tendency to lose electron.
Exactly, exactly.
Exactly.
Okay, then tell me the variation. What will be the variation shown by this metallic character? First, let's see in a
Both are
period.
unstable, that's for sure.
What will happen to the metallic character when you just move from left to right in a period?
So, I don't know.
If you
Tell
just
Sir,
check out the periodic table, you will see that metals are on the left side of the periodic table.
yes, sir.
That is why you will just remember that from left to right in a period, metallic character will decrease. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So metallic character, it decreases from left to right. So what will be its opposite? What will happen to the non-metallic character?
It'll be on the
Increase.
right side.
Therefore,
Hey,
non-metallic character that will
it's a group
increase.
that straight. So it will increase.
Exactly. So from left to right in a period, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases.
Doctor, you're so smart. Right in a group there, right?
Huh?
Non-metallic character increases. Can you tell me it is opposite, that is just within a group?
What did you say?
Within a group, what will happen to the metallic character and non-metallic?
Say remain same.
Sir,
No,
within
how?
a group. Group means
It will not remain
no,
same.
sir.
That is from top to bottom. It will be just opposite as we have seen in the period.
Oh,
So from
increase.
top to
The metallic
bottom,
characters will increase and non-metallic characters will decrease.
And
exactly.
I'll-
So from top to bottom in a group, metallic character increases.
Yes, sir.
how, sir?
I will just give you the example after you just finish this. You just first write down. Metallic character increases and non-metallic character decreases.
Yes, sir.
I will give you the example. You first write down this. So have you noted down this?
No, sir. Once again, I'm writing.
Nitish,
What?
you suck. That's exactly what you do, Dad.
Everyone does that, Yuda. It's not a new thing there.
Shall I move to the next page?
Yes, sir.
But I
Okay,
do
now
it.
see here. Now see here, I will just give you the example from group 15. So we are having nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and moscovium. Now, can you tell me what nitrogen and phosphorus, are they metals or non-metals?
Sir,
They're
they're non-metals.
non-metals.
Exactly, they are non-metals.
So what did you
And what
ask?
is it? Arsenic and antimony, what are these?
Why are you still in the class? That's what
Sir,
They are
they are noble gases. See, metallites.
metals.
Metallites.
Metals, metal. Sorry, non-metals.
For that.
semi-metals.
Metallites.
And what are the next one? That is your bismuth and moscovium.
The metal. I mean,
They are metals.
metals as right.
So what happens from top to what happens from top to bottom?
So from
Sir.
top to bottom they change like
Metallic
wow,
character increases. Got it now? Metallic character increases. And what happens to the non-metallic
It's more
character?
like valency increases, sir.
Non-metallic character will decrease. Got it?
yes, sir.
What are you gonna say, Nitish?
This is what you have to remember.
Oh.
That means from top to bottom in a group, what you have to remember, that metallic character, it increases and non-metallic character will decrease. And now if you just talk of the period, so let me write here the second period. We are having lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. right?
Yes.
So what are these? What are these? Carbon, nitrogen, fluorine, and neon. These are non-metals, right?
And boron is metallite, and lithium and beryllium are. Um,
Exactly. Lithium and beryllium, they are what? They are the typical metals.
yeah. Yes, sir.
So that means what you will remember. That means from left to right in a period, what happens?
Sir, it
So
goes
left
from
to right, the
Sir,
characters,
it changes
like,
from
the
metals to
metallic
non-metals,
character
sir.
increases.
To non.
Metallic character.
Metallic character will decrease. Metallic character decreases from left to right in a period.
Yes, sir.
That's what I said.
What will happen to the non-metallic character?
Sir, non-metallic character will increase.
Exactly, it will increase. So this is what you have to remember in this metallic and non-metallic character. That is from left to right in a period, non-metallic character will increase and metallic character will decrease. And from top to bottom in a group, metallic character will increase and non-metallic character will decrease. Got it?
Yeah.
So these are the four very important periodic properties. One is the atomic size, next is the ionic size, third is the valency, and four is the metallic and non-metallic character. You have to remember their variation or trend. That means how they vary within a group and along a period. So I hope you have remembered. Have you remembered now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any question? With this, we have just completed this chapter. Now, few questions I will ask you, and you have to answer me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me if I'm just talking of
Sir,
lithium.
ask questions, sir. Ask like one person.
Okay, Sankap will
Because
tell me
everyone, he
that
doesn't want everyone else to answer, because everyone will answer
Sankap
before
will
him.
tell me that lithium, will it gain one electron or lose one electron? Will it gain two electrons or lose two electrons?
The very
In what,
first
sir?
typer, sir. Don't ask him any
In
questions. Sir.
what, sir?
Lithium, in lithium, you have to tell me whether it will just gain one electron
Oh,
or
okay.
whether it will lose one electron.
Sir, it will
Whether,
lose one electron. It will lose an electron.
how many electrons? Two electrons or
One.
exactly.
Wow.
It will just lose one electron. That is correct. So now tell me next one. If I'm just talking of fluorine. So what is then lithium? Lithium is losing electrons, so it is a metal, isn't it?
Medal.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hey, he asked
Okay,
me that.
Okay, now
Niti,
fluorine. I'm talking of fluorine. Will it gain one electron or lose one electron?
are you
Sir, it
asking me?
will lose one electron. No, it will gain
It
one
will,
electron. It will gain
it
one
will gain
electron.
one
It will
electron.
gain one electron. Yeah.
Sir, I thought you asked a specific person. Sir.
Yeah, he asked me.
Me also.
It will gain one electron. So tell me when it will gain one electron, what is it? Is it a
Sir,
metal?
it's a non-metal.
It is a non-metal. Okay. Now, if I'm just talking of, let's say I'm having magnesium, you have to tell me valence electrons, valency of this magnesium.
Sir, I'll
So,
tell, sir.
okay, tell me.
So the valence electrons are 2, and the valency is 2 plus.
Valency is how much?
2 plus.
What is 2 plus?
2.
Valency will be 2. You have
Yes,
not
Yes,
a
sir.
right
That
charge.
is
You
the
have
oxidation things.
You are correct.
okay. If you are just talking of what is the oxidation state of magnesium, then it will be plus 2.
You
Sir,
have been
the
lying.
same logic does not apply in our school, sir. Like you and Chappaladi, sir. If I write like just 2.
So oxidation state, it will be plus 2. Right?
So if I argue with my teacher, like, hey, ma'am, you ask only valence, you don't ask oxidation state and all, she'll tell me to go and study the book or not anyone else. Sir.
Yes. She'll say quit tuition.
But you
Yeah,
have but you have to remember like
Hey,
this.
by
If
the
you
way,
are,
we are not in a tuition, we are in a coaching center.
yeah. So valency, whenever we will
They are
write the
school
valency, you have
courses.
not to write the charge. But when you just talk of oxidation state, then you have to write the charge. Okay, now tell me if I'm just talking of, let's say, nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay, first that of
he'll
nitrogen.
lose
How
one.
many valence
See,
electrons?
he'll gain one electron. He'll have so 5 electrons in his valence shell.
Okay, 2
So
questions
he
each.
won't. sorry, it'll have 5 electrons in its valence shell. Its valency will be 2 minus, 3 minus. Not 3. Why do I keep saying minus? 3.
Because you're
So,
negative.
Okay, I will write
valence
it in the
electron
oxidation
is
state
5.
also.
Yes. So, valence electron 5, valency 3 minus, and then
Valency will be 3.
3. Ayo, oxidation state 3 minus.
Exactly.
Now, who else is
Can
gonna?
can you tell me that
Congo
of
will now.
neon? Okay, Congo, tell me how many valence electrons and valency
Sir,
and
neon.
oxidation state. Yeah,
At
neon.
oxidation. So neon's valency is 0 because it's a noble
Uh,
gas.
I mean, yeah, same thing.
Valence electrons?
Sorry.
1 sec. It's 8, sir.
Exactly 8 because octet is complete 2, 8.
Yes, sir.
Oxidation state?
So it's 0,
0
sir.
plus.
So what is
The
the question,
plus
sir?
minus 0.
It is 0 there. So I hope that now you can solve such type of questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes,
Any
sir.
doubt, any question which you want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay, then let's stop today's class here. Have a nice day ahead.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.